Hello students, welcome you all on the virtual platform of Shiva Shiksha Sadan. I am Rikha Jatana. I am going to teach you the first chapter from the book Snapshots of 11th English. The name of the chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William. The story revolves around two poor American boys, Murad and Aram, and a beautiful white horse. Aram is the narrator of the story, and Murad was a crazy boy. He stole a beautiful white horse and kept him in a secret place. Their tribe was suffering from poverty, but despite this, they were famous for their honesty. But the boys took good care of the horse and loved him very much. They also enjoyed their riding for a long time. At the another side, John Biro, the real owner of the horse, was very simple and kind-hearted person. When he saw the horse with the boys, he looked into the mouth of the horse and examined his teeth. John Biro recognized his horse but refused to believe his eyes because of their fame of honesty. After realizing their mistake, they returned the horse to his real owner, John Biro. Let's talk about the characters. The story revolves around the two Armenian boys, Aram and Murad, who belong to a very poor Armenian tribe. The other important characters are Uncle Khosrow, who was very furious and ill-tempered, and there was one more person, John Biro, an Armenian who, out of loneliness, learned Armenian, and he was the owner of the horse. Now let me tell you what were the hallmarks of Garoglanians. Garoglanians were famous for their honesty, truth, integrity. These they upheld even in the face of abject poverty. For 11 centuries, these features had been religiously safeguarded from one generation to another. Let's talk about Aram. Aram is the narrator of the story and serves as the moral center. He is very mindful of doing the right thing while understanding the financial challenges of the family. He doesn't seek to disrupt the balances in the family or in the community. Now let's talk about the second most important character in the chapter, and his name was Murad. Murad was in contrast to Aram. He is guided by his passion for the horse, compelling him to take it. Murad has been described in the story as an animal lover. He sang when he rode a horse, and his passion for riding made him a fearless rider. Thank you very much for listening.